Perform the indicated operation and simplify when possible. We have 4ab over a squared minus b squared plus a squared plus b squared over a plus b. We need to add rational expressions, so we concentrate first of all on finding a common denominator. The denominators are a squared minus b squared and a plus b. Let's begin by factoring the denominator a squared minus b squared. That gives us 4ab over a plus b times a minus b. And then we'll copy the rest of the expression here, a squared plus b squared over a plus b. And a plus b doesn't factor. Now look at the denominators. I have a plus b times a minus b, and then a plus b. A plus b is a factor of this denominator, so the least common denominator, or the least common multiple of the denominators, will be a plus b times a minus b. Now that's the least common denominator. It already exists in the first expression, so I don't need to touch this one, but I need to get that denominator in the second expression. The denominator is missing the factor of a minus b. So I'm going to multiply my second expression by a minus b over a minus b. Now note that is actually multiplying by 1, so it doesn't change the value of it. So I have a squared plus b squared over a plus b, and I'm going to multiply by 1. I'm going to write 1 as a minus b over a minus b. Now we need to carry out those multiplications over here. I have 4ab over a plus b times a minus b plus, this would be a squared plus b squared times a minus b. Carrying that out, I would have a cubed minus a squared b plus ab squared minus b cubed. Using FOIL, I'm multiplying this binomial times this binomial. And then in the denominator I have, and I won't need to multiply this out, I just have a plus b times a minus b. I didn't need to multiply the denominator out because I'm just going to keep the denominator. But in the next step I'm going to add the numerators, which is why I needed to multiply this one out. I have 4ab plus a cubed minus a squared b plus ab squared minus b cubed. None of those are like terms despite all the a's and b's in there, so I just have to write it all out. 4ab plus a cubed minus a squared b plus ab squared minus b cubed all over a plus b times a minus b. And if you look through in the numerator, there are no common factors. This can't be factored. So we could rearrange this and write it in a different order if we want, but this is the simplified form, 4ab plus a cubed minus a squared b plus ab squared minus b cubed over the denominator a plus b times a minus b.